Hi guys, now excuse the state of us, I've been gardening, hence the mucky fingernails, but I've got an urge to make a video. My long-term living lady lover has left for the afternoon, and while the cat's away, the mouse will make YouTube videos and maybe watch something a little bit spicy later on, but YouTube video first. Right, so this video is going to be about a niche that I've discovered accidentally. I was looking into doing another video and this niche just appeared in front of me very eyes like a magic trick. So I'm going to share with you what this niche is. I'll show you the Titans quick view score. I'll show you some examples of the book, and then I'm going to show you a book that I've actually made in this niche. Really easy to make as well. I might do that in another video, but really simple niche, and there seems to be a lot of scope for growth in there. It's going to be the next new colouring book thing, I'm certain of it. Right, onto the computer. So here we are on Amazon.com incognito mode, because I'm a sneaky spy. When I type into the search bar, you're going to see some things drop down. Do not be scared. It's just a plugin. I think it's called Amazon Keyword Expander or Suggestion Expander. Been a long time since I've used it, but you will see the name of the plugin. So hopefully there you go. So as I'm typing, you'll see the list on the left is the Amazon suggestions you would see normally. AMZ Suggestion Expander, that's what it's called. So this is what you'd see normally on Amazon. These are all the extra bits. So the red list are keywords before. So the monarch, the keyword so far is before the rest of the suggestion. Then we've got a list after the suggestion. Let's see how it changes as I type in monochrome. So you can see the left hand side, it's got it already. Monochrome colouring book. And there are lots of different suggestions coming up in the niche, but I'm just going to stick with the classic monochrome colouring book. But there's loads of other suggestions, potential niches you can get into there. The purple bar across the top is Titans Quick View, another great free plugin. Grab it, just gives you a little bit extra information. As you can see from the list, there are only 897 entries coming up, and I've searched under all because most people, when they're looking on Amazon, will search under all rather than clicking through and going to books or whatever. So we'll keep it on all. The niche score is 83. That's very, very healthy. And there's a little bit of information as to what goes into make the niche score. Now this information here is all from the front page. So it's all of this information boggled down to pure data. So there are 897 results out of the front page. So 48 results on the front page. 27 have got monochrome colouring book in the title. 46 of those 48 have been independently published. Very good sign. BSR, a low of 1160, high of 930, average of 106,000. That's very, very good. That's great. There are books on the front page with 0 reviews. Again, very good sign. And high price of $9.99, average of $9.65. So that's going to be healthy in terms of profit margin. I'm going to scroll down the page and you're going to see some books. I'll click on one or two just to give you an idea of what is actually going on with the books. I will show you a detailed interior of a book I made, digital only, because I am planning on moving into this niche, giving it a go. But this is what you'll be looking at. These are monochrome colouring books. The idea is it's an image that the user colours in, and they actually add the black bits. Now, personally, I would have done the maybe the stem and the leaves black rather than the interior, but each to their own. So that the person will get what looks like a classic colouring book image, but they'll actually add the outline with the colours. I'm making it more complicated than it actually is. You'll soon see what I mean. So these ones here are sponsored, so I will not click on them because it spends other people's money, which I don't want to do. these ones are fine. So we're looking at $9.99 for a lot of these books, which is great. BSR 16, 15,000, 12,000, 20,000. Rank not found. Oh, these are sponsored again. Rank not found. So there are lots of them, all, well, there's not lots of them, actually, that's the point. But on the front page, they all look very similar. Could you design a better cover than this? Yes, you could. Of course you could. They're boring. But the books seem to sell well. And there's loads of different sub-niches. Flowers, magical homes, swear words, restful ones. This is another plugin by Titans as well. I just can't remember what it's called, this one here. Just gives you a bit more information. So I'm going to click on this book here. This was earlier up in the listing as a sponsored listing, but it's also here as an organic one. So we'll click on this book. 12,000. It's the lowest BSR I've seen. The one where it's at 1,000 actually in the Titans Quick View was for an unrelated product. It was those pens, I think, or so. But this is the book I'm going to show you today. It is 4.4 stars. When it comes to my own personal books, I don't bother reading the reviews. But when I'm about to create a book in a certain niche, I will read the reviews, particularly the bad ones. We'll look at that later on. The bad reviews just give you an idea of how you can improve the book. So there's a brief description of what the book is. This one's got 84 pages and it's 8.5 by 11. 84 pages, you're going to look at under $2 printing cost. I would certainly under $3. Under $2.50. I'm guessing. We'll find out later on. And I'll read a sample of the book. So this one's got your classic colouring book instructions on how to use the book, including add a little sheet behind the page you're working on, because the colours are paper from KDP is a bit thin. And here we go. The whole point of this book is that it's meant to be relaxing to colour in, and you only need one pen. There's no colour making decisions to be made. Black is the only one you need. In the book you'll get images like this with little, you probably can't see them, they're little crosses in the sections for the user to colour in, and they'll end up with an image like that. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You can make these images very easily. Create a Fabrica. There's a link below in the description. You'll get 10 free assets when you use that link. Get 10 free bundles of SVGs. You can turn them into images like this in an instant. You can also use AI to make them as well. And there's a little explainer, and this is a close-up of the images. So the user gets this page in the book, and they'll end up with this page when they've coloured it in. We'll just have a little look at the reviews, in particular the 1 and 2 stars. We'll go 2 stars. So this is the 2-star review. There's only one. The main complaint of this is that there's too much space between. Whatever that means. Is it either complaining that you colour in too much, or there's not enough to colour in? It also bleeds through the next page. Now that's a common complaint with KDP books, especially when you are suggesting markers and felt tips and things like that. So that's the 2-star review. Let's look at the 1-star. Very thin, very foreign, light book. Yep, you can't do anything about that, I'm afraid. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense either. Not well. It probably makes sense to the person, but it's not specific to us. So the main complaints are the paper's very thin. There is a little something we can do about that, and I will show you that soon. But it's a common complaint with colouring books from KDP, And there really isn't a lot you can do about it. There is one thing, but, not a lot. Now, this is the same book in the UK, $9.59, which is $13-ish. But it's got a higher BSR rank. Now, obviously, the UK and the US will probably have different thresholds, certainly different top 100s. But it's probably a lot easier to get top 100 or a higher BSR in the UK. But it's selling over on both sides of the Atlantic, which instantly gives you a bigger audience. This page here is the Amazon Book Sales Calculator by TCK Publishing. It uses the BSR rank to estimate how many books are sold. Now, I do not know how accurate it is, but it's something people use to gauge how many books are selling. And then they take those numbers, work out how much profit people are making. So it's just a guide. I wouldn't say it was super accurate, just a guide. So that was roughly 12,200, say, BSR rank. It is a book. I want to calculate sales. So roughly that book is selling 21 units per day. We're going to work out how much profit that is. This here is the KDP official cost and royalty calculator. I've filled in all the details, 84 pages, $9.99. This is what you're going to make. So £3.15, it's costing $2.84. £3.15 per book. They're selling 21. That is $62 per day on one book. In the UK, let's just switch this to UK, and they are, what I say was $9.95, wasn't it? Submit. In the UK, they're making £3.82, which is, I'm going to say $5. Am I going to say that? Yeah, why not? So this book is shifting 21 units in the US. I don't know how the US is linked to the UK in terms of BSR. I don't know if it just goes on. I don't know if the BSR is just total sales, and then it's because the UK is a bit different, the BSR changes. But it's certainly selling minimum 21 units per day, going from the TCK website. It might be more. And if I click on the author name, I'd be very surprised if they didn't have more books in the same niche than they do. So they've got 3 books in total. The other 2 aren't selling as well, but they're still maybe getting 1 or 2 sales a day. All adds up. Now that's just one author making 3 books. I've seen other authors and they've got like a range of 12 monochrome colouring books. If they're all shifting 10 units a day minimum, you're getting 120 sales. You're making $3 odd per book. Really simple idea. It's got less than 100 pages in it. Won't take long to make once you know how to do it. I'm going to do a video on how to make them later on, I think, just because this is getting a bit long. But I will show you my book that I've designed, and I'll do that now. So this is the book I've made already. This is Affinity version 3. It's free. Get it. I've been a long time user of Serif, as was Affinity as is, and even Affinity now it's owned by Canva. It's great, and it's for free, so grab it. So this is my book here. This is going to be my front title page. Slow down, stay present. Let each line bring you back to calm, because I'm marketing it as a calm book. That's written by AI. This here is a little explainer how to use the book itself. Over here, I'm going to have a QR code. That's a little bit of advice on how to protect the page, and there's a bit more information. So I've got my title page. My next 2 pages are instructional, and then we're into the images. Now I've started off with a simple image, but it gets more complex as it goes down. This here is an SVG, and what I've done is I have removed the fill and I've filled it with, hopefully you can see that, a cross-hatch pattern. That's what the user fills in, cross-hatch. So that's a fairly simple one, but as we go through the book, you can see there's a bit more complexity in them. All of these images I got on Creative Fabrica, link below. In fact, I might link to this set that I got, just because it's a great group of images. So again, the user colours in these hatched areas, and a product emerges. A product, a finished image emerges. Now I will change the order of these, just so the simple ones are at the front, the more complex are at the back. But basically, so that's pretty complex. There are bits to colour in, wiggly lines. What happens when you download one of these images is that it is there's no outline. So there's no outline, and the interior is black. That's this SVG you'll download. And if you look here, you can see it's all the separate curves. This is the image as is. All you need to do is just select it all, put an outline on, and then choose your fill. Now the fill I've used is a one I've made myself. Again, I'll go into more detail in that when I do how to make the book entirely. But that's a really simple thing to do. I tried putting little crosses in, like little hand-drawn crosses here, made a little fill with that, but it didn't work very well. This crosshatch, I think, is the best. So this here is a digital version of the book that I may or may not publish to KDP. There are things to do, but this is like a proof of how it would work. Really, really simple to make. Once you've got the SVGs, put the outline on, change the fill, bang, on the next image. Really, really simple. So in the link below is going to be the Creative Fabrica listings that I've used to make this sort of thing. Really simple. Right, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully I'll be able to edit it down to a quick one, but it's a really interesting niche. That Titans Quick View niche finder score, 83, whatever it was. Pretty high. I've not seen many that high. Very low competition at the minute. So get in there fast, and who knows, you could make your first million with monochrome books. There's loads of different potential niches out there. Christmas, of course, is coming soon. Floral, scenery, whimsical nonsense. Even I've seen them patterns, like just patterns you colour in. So there's loads of potential out there. But the first step to do is to actually subscribe to me, but then actually make the book. That's the hardest thing. Make the book, get it listed. A lot of people fail at that first hurdle. Right, thank you for watching, and I shall see you again very soon.